What's up, guys? It's Brainiac coming back with another flawless video here for you. Now, we're starting the video off a little bit different. We're not in the garage, we're actually in my room. And you guys seen this in the past 2 videos? I believe 2 videos. No, it might have actually been 1, and I think that was the giveaway. And I never went down in detail that this is my bedroom. And this is my YouTube studio that I'm gonna be using now. But let's get into this video. As you guys can see as the title, this had to be done. I'm associated with computers and I love my car. And a lot of people don't do this, but a lot of normal people do this. And a lot of physical new cars are coming out with this. But I'm gonna show you how to do it for $50. This is really simple, and you can expand on this. Now, what I have here is a brand new Amazon Echo that I actually won in a Tricky raffle. Never opened it because I already owned one, which, as I can show you in the background, this is what I mean when this little operating system is very expandable. And watch this. Computer, change lights to purple.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys know that's dope. Now, the way that I have that set up, I can check any command I want, and that's really cool. And maybe in a later video, when I do get this up and running, we can expand on it like that, and in the car, we can have voice controlled underglow under our car. That is sick. Because the Bluetooth app is cool and all, but your voice, that's a little bit more 21st century to me anymore. But let's change that back. Computer, change lights to teal.
Okay.
Alright, now that we're back to the regular color, just a little demonstration here. We're gonna unbox this guy, and I'm gonna show you how to hook it up, because it's very simple and it's a couple steps to hook it up. Now, I'm gonna tell you the couple things you're gonna need for this video. For one, step 1, you're gonna need your Amazon Echo for this whole project to be done. You're gonna need a Wi-Fi source, so your hotspot on your phone, or if your car already has one and you're pretty much set, or there's this thing that I'll link down below. If you have Verizon, they have a thing called the Hum by Verizon, which I do have in my car, and you can actually get one that's compatible with a Wi-Fi service on it, so that when you get in your car, you have Wi-Fi, your portable hotspot, which this will work perfectly with it. So, Wi-Fi hotspot, Amazon Echo, an aux cord you're gonna need, because for the fact is, you're gonna want to be able to hook it up to your stereo, or if you have a little Bluetooth wireless receiver, which I'll show you throughout the video if I can find it, you can connect everything pretty much wirelessly. And we're gonna hide our Amazon Echo, so you won't see it, because the one thing I don't like is when you can see something. It makes the car, you know, out of place. I like to have an operating system like the car kit. Up in the corner, that's a picture of the car kit. Y'all know that. Or it talks to you and you didn't even see it. You just seen the LEDs in the radio, which was really freaking cool for the time. And that's what we're trying to accomplish here. Put kit in your car. Well, there's one more thing that I got to say. Let's hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And let's get that giveaway going, guys. And I think I might change it up a little bit. The giveaway, I keep calling them bumper clips. They're not bumper clips. They're quick release clips. You put them on the side of your bumper, pull the rubber bands off, you can pull your bumper off. Super simple for you, you know, modders out there. You guys know what that is in the car community. And maybe I'll throw in one of these hats, or a new design if I think of it, and a hoodie. That could be an option, and that could be an awesome option if you guys like that. So, let's get into this video, and I'll see you guys over in the Mazda. Let's go. Alright guys, jumping into the box, you should get your Alexa, obviously. Your USB to micro, which is pretty old nowadays. USB Type-C would be nice for a change on the Amazon Alexa. You get a couple pamphlets, you get your wall adapter, which we're not going to be using in this case. We're actually going to be using just a standard, plug into your cigarette lighter and tuck away wires and tuck away your Alexa. But we got to make sure that it works. First, before we go out to the car, we're going to set everything up on the inside, so then we're just ready to rock and roll and place stuff in the car, and then we can get driving, guys. So let's go over and set this Alexa up. Alright guys, I'm going to make this as fast and clear as possible. Now, Amazon Echo, power that sucker up. And it's going to tell you to go to the Amazon Echo app, which I have here. It's on Android and Apple. You go into the settings and you'll click up set up new device, Echo Dot, continue for English if you're English. Now you're going to want to go over and you're going to have to connect to the Amazon Echo Wi-Fi that it's producing. So let's go do that. Now it's going to attempt to connect to the Echo Dot, which we have to go. Okay, I'm connected to the Echo Dot's Wi-Fi, and instantly it connects to the Echo Dot. Click continue. Now, it's going to give you a vast variety of internet sources. Now, if you're inside your home, this is good, but for our point of view, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it's going to say use this device as a Wi-Fi hotspot. You'll click start. Now, put your Wi-Fi hotspot name in that you have already on your phone. So in order to do that, you go over to your tabs on my phone and go to mobile hotspot, and that will be your name. Now, I don't have a password and my name's Brainiacs, so we go back out of here, type in Brainiacs, like so. No password because it makes it a lot simpler, just for the setup. Back down and click connect.
Ready to connect. Go to the settings on your mobile device and turn on Wi-Fi hotspot.
Okay, now what it wants us to do is scroll down, click on mobile hotspot and turn it on. Now once the subscription status or your Wi-Fi hotspot actually turns on, Amazon Echo will realize that the connection is being on a secure line. So, just gotta wait. Okay guys, now she was basically just saying that she's trying to connect, so that's how I got the sign that she's connected. Now it says setup complete, and that was 2 minutes of your time. Amazon Echo is connected to your mobile hotspot or the Wi-Fi. Now just click continue.
Connected to Wi-Fi hotspot.
Okay, now we can, I believe, start talking to our Alexa and getting it prepped and put into the car. So let's try command after it's done blinking. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Philadelphia, it's 43 degrees with intermittent clouds. Today's forecast has mostly sunny weather, with a high of 43 degrees and a low of 30 degrees.
Okay guys, it works, but I do not live in Philadelphia, so we gotta update that and ask you what the weather is where I live. But we can go start putting this in our car, so let's go guys. Okay guys, now that you enter the car, you're gonna need your phone. Yeah, look at that awesome Brainiac sticker on the back. You're gonna need your Amazon Echo. You're gonna need the micro USB wire. And to make this really simple for you guys, and I know you guys know how to set it up because in the wireless charger, I set it up through the, dang, mine went blank. Through the fuse box, which we are not going to do that today. We're just going to do it through a standard little, car charger. And the reason I say that, for the Mazda, inside the glove box is where the aux port is, and is where a dedicated one of these guys are. So you guys won't even see it. So that's the nice part about it. Now, I'm just going to plug this guy in and plug this guy into it, and then we're gonna get some audio also in here, and then we'll see where that takes us. So let's go. Now, the physical idea that I came up with is, in the Mazdas, you guys should know this, but before you open up your actual box inside, there's this little piece that gives us a hole so we can, pull wires through and put in here. Honestly, the Alexa right now fits pretty snug in there, and we can close this up. So maybe I might even put that right there. So I'm gonna fish these wires through and fish the aux cord through, and on the back of these Echo Dots, there's a nice little aux port on the back that we're gonna just set this up in here and clean up the other stuff that I had in there and move it to somewhere else. So let's just have some fun and let's clean this guy up. Okay guys, the Alexa's cleanly set up inside there, and I can close that up, no problem. Open it up, close it up, he's just chilling in there, hiding. Be a fiend. Looks dope. Now, I do have a bunch of this crap laying around, which is this. You can put that underneath him. See if he'll still close. And he closes perfectly fine. Now, I'm just gonna take some of this stuff and put it back inside here. I just have some extra crap laying around, like extra wires, some zip tie cables, just to keep everything nice and clean. Honestly, this helps out. Oh, that's actually a really good idea. Somebody else wants to plug this guy into your Alexa, which is a splitter, and then you have a dedicated dual aux port, like this. Let me show you. And then you plug him in. No problemo. Of actually turning on the car, taking our lovely smartphone, showing you here, and set up your Wi-Fi symbol, and then we can test out some commands inside the car to see if, the voice. It has far range voice, which is Amazon's own, technology, so it can hear you pretty much anywhere. Like, it's insane. So let's try that out, and let's get the Wi-Fi hotspot on to connect it. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, now installation is complete, and it's a whole day later for me. I actually tested it out and see how it worked, and it actually works well. So when you enter the car, you're gonna pull your phone out, or before you enter the car, slide your notification down, turn on the mobile hotspot, take your phone, stick it anywhere you please, anywhere you'd like. Then put your key in the ignition, like so. Don't even have to start the car up. If you want, you can just put it in accessory mode. Then you gotta give it about not even 2 minutes, a minute. Usually, since I have a remote starter, I remote start my car so that it turns on and gets prepared and everything like that. But you'll know when it's on because it'll make a sound indicating that it's on. You get this Cortana looking sound.
Hello.
Oh, and she greets me. Nice. Now, let's test this sucker out. Alexa, play NF.
Shuffling songs by NF.
This is how you jam out. So, that's all you have to do. Let's try a couple other commands. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Philadelphia, it's 54 degrees with intermittent clouds. Today, you can expect mostly sunny weather. with a high of 54 degrees and a low of 34 degrees.
Ooh, nice. Back to the music. Alexa, pause the music. And then we can power the car down. And alright guys, well, you guys installed this successfully in your car. If you have any questions, comment down below, like, subscribe. And we're on the journey to hit 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was literally, I just had this laying around and I did it. Now, if you guys like the whole automated voice system in your car, I think it's pretty cool because I'm just driving along and, you know, I don't want to keep pulling my phone out because I put so much time and effort in my car to take one mistake by changing a song. You guys know how it goes. All that money that you have to repair your car with, you guys honestly could have did a next mod. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe like I said before, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Deuces, people.
Yo, what's up guys? I hope you guys enjoyed my flawless video here. Please hit that subscription in the left corner and check out my videos on the right. I hope you guys do enjoy my videos. I love creating them for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces, people.